Good morning, everyone. This is Madhavi. I am working as a teacher in Rajmahendravaram Rural Mandal, East Godavari district. This video provides a brief review on day 13 webinar session. Today's topic is about ICT in the primary classroom. This session was taken by Purnima ma'am, academic consultant in British Council. Objectives of this session are to explore the scope of ICT integrated instruction, to gain a basic understanding of ICT competencies and policies through ICT CFT by UNESCO, to explore teaching strategies, technical tools and classroom management. గత 2 దశాబ్దాలుగా టెక్నాలజీలో వచ్చిన మార్పులు మనందరికీ తెలుసు. అలాగే ఉపాధ్యాయులుగా విద్యార్థుల ఆలోచన సరళి మరియు పిల్లల్లో వృద్ధి అవుతున్న సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యాలను మనం స్పష్టంగా గమనిస్తూ ఉన్నాము. వారి అంచనాలకు అనుగుణంగా మనం విద్యాబోధన చేయగలగాలంటే తరగతి గదులలో సాంకేతిక వినియోగం తప్పనిసరి. ఉదాహరణకు కొన్ని అంశాలను మనం టెక్నాలజీ వినియోగించకుండా పిల్లలకు బోధించేటప్పుడు విద్యార్థులే మనకు ఇంటర్నెట్ వినియోగించమని మరియు వీడియోలు చూపించమని అడిగిన సందర్భాలు ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ఎదురవుతున్నాయి. కావున ఉపాధ్యాయులుగా వారికన్నా ఒక అడుగు ముందు ఆలోచించడానికి సన్నద్ధమవుదాం. నౌ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఐసిటి? ఐసిటి మీన్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అండ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ టెక్నాలజీ. ICT in education is the use of technological resources, tools and environments to deliver, support, enhance and optimize learning experiences. We came to know that ICT provides a variety of opportunities for teachers to create interactive, collaborative and experiential learning experiences. Here is a question: why must an ICT curriculum be developed? UNESCO highlights the role of the ICT in the curriculum. These are some importances by using ICT in our curriculum. For sharing knowledge, facilitate universal access to education, bridge learning divides, support the development of teachers, enhance the quality and relevance of learning, strengthen inclusion and improve educational administration and governance. Here are the proven results by the researchers. If we promote the ICT in our curriculum, the students who are continuously exposed to technology through education has better knowledge, presentation skills, innovative capabilities. And students are motivated to participate in the learning experience and they are less anxious and stressed about the outcome or result. Here is a ICT project by Sugata Mitra. He created an experiment aimed at proving that children are heuristic learners. They can be taught by the computers without any formal training. He called it minimally invasive education. Why was this experiment successful? When we recall the Edgar Dale's cone of experience, it comes under direct and purposeful experience category. We can look about two experiences. One is inductive experience and other one is deductive experiences. In inductive experiences, students are first taught theory and then given practical tasks. Deductive experiences, students are given practical experiences first. They are associated to deduce the theory. Here is a question: why must ICT be a part of the classroom? It enhances learning experiences. It develops new set of skills like digital literacy. It minimizes issues of teachers like student ratio and improve classroom management and administration. Here are some of the advantages of technology integrated classroom environments is listed below. The first one is speed. Technology can offer faster and time saving means to transact meaning in the classroom, and many of the activities can be completed a lot more efficiently in a leisure time. The next one is automation. Teachers can benefit greatly by the automatic process that are embedded in a device which would otherwise require individual attention and time. Next one is capacity. Technology offers a number of modes through which vast data can be saved, retrieved, modified and shared. There is ample opportunity, either textual, oral or visual, that has to be tapped in terms of the variety of tools and resources that technology has to offer. And the last one is provisionality. Users can benefit greatly by collaborating and working on different projects irrespective of where they are and what time they work on an engagement. The best example for provisionality is these webinars. Here are some teaching strategies or ways to integrate primary school curriculum. They are representation, retrieval, construction, and interactive teaching. రిప్రజెంటేషన్ మీన్స్ సాంకేతిక పరికరాలను ఉపయోగించుట మరియు పిక్చర్స్, ఆడియో లేదా వీడియో ద్వారా బోధించుట. నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ రిట్రైవల్. రిట్రైవల్ మీన్స్ సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానాన్ని ఉపయోగిస్తూ వారు నేర్చుకున్న అంశాలు లేదా పూర్వజ్ఞానాన్ని పునశ్చరణ చేయుట. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్. కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ మీన్స్ సాంకేతిక పరికరాలను ఉపయోగించి వారి క్రియేటివిటీస్ లేదా మోడల్స్ను ఫైల్లో భద్రపరచుట. The last one is interactive teaching, which means use of technological tools to encourage exchange of ideas, expressing opinions by the children. Here is a competency framework for teachers by UNESCO. The UNESCO ICT competency framework for teachers is used by the countries around the world. These highlights the role the technology can play in supporting 6 major education focus areas across these phases of knowledge acquisition. These are illustrated in this chart. The 6 focus areas are understanding ICT in education, curriculum and assessment, pedagogy, ICT, organization and administration, teacher professional learning. These are the documents provide a strong educational context through an overview of approaches and principles that can be used by the teachers. There are 18 modules. Each module contains curricular goals, teacher competencies, objectives for teacher training, example methods. The framework is in 5 steps. The first one is aspects of a teacher's work, and the second one is growth basis for successful ICT integration, and 3 successive stages of a teacher's development, and 3 phases of gradual increase in competencies. The next one is technology, and the next one is knowledge deepening, and the last one is knowledge creation. This framework talks about aspects of teachers' work. How does our work reflect in our lesson plan? ఇక్కడ www.col.org అనే ఒక వెబ్ పోర్టల్ ఇవ్వబడింది. దీనిలో టీచర్స్కి ఉపయోగించే రిసోర్సెస్ మరియు సర్టిఫికేట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ గురించి కూడా ఇవ్వబడింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కామన్వెల్త్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఫర్ టీచర్ ఐసిటీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. ఇంకా ఈ వెబ్ పోర్టల్లో ఐసిటీ రిలేటెడ్ అప్డేట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇవ్వబడతాయి. యాజ్ ఏ స్ట్రాంగ్ టీచర్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్టెప్స్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. దే ఆర్ టీచర్ కాంపిటెన్సీస్, స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ టెక్నికల్ అండ్ పెడగాజికల్ సపోర్ట్. మన ఏపీఎస్సీఆర్టీ వారు ఉపయోగిస్తున్న వర్చువల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్, ఫేస్బుక్ పేజ్, Abhyasa app and YouTube. This is a sample digital toolkit for teachers. We need to think about before constructing an ICT based classroom. There are tools like internet connection, desktop or laptop, infrastructure for a computer lab, the factors related to our professional development, and our interest in creating learning experiences. These are some suggested ICT tools. We can find all these tools in Google search bar. Here is an app, Expeditions. It is useful for some lessons for the teachers. Here is a sample lesson, the solar system. We can manage our classroom by engaging our students into groups, either individual, small group or whole group. This is an observation sheet given in the app for the lesson solar system. Here is a suggestible digital workstation strategy for teachers. This is a sample workstation. Children were placed at different tables in front of the laptops. Teacher has given freedom to their students to explore their knowledge. త్వరలో మన పాఠశాల తరగతి గదులు కూడా ఈ విధంగా మారతాయని ఆశిద్దాం. Here are some suggested rules for interaction online. We download child-friendly versions of applications and software. Supervise students at all times and create a timetable and involve parents and spread awareness on the importance of keeping children safe. These are my classroom pictures with my class children. Usually, I use my gadgets for multi-class teaching. These are my students of class 3 and 1. Today's session was ended by Q&A. Thank you so much, ma'am, for today's class. This is really need of the hour. Hope in the new academic year for well-equipped ICT supporting classrooms. Thank you for watching this video. I just made this video for giving a brief review on today's webinar session. I am keeping my series of videos in my channel Madhavi Vlogs. If you like the videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.